Hello and welcome to the Panasonic Varicam LT Quick Start Guide. So we're just going to power up the camera first of all. So the power button is just located down here. It's hidden in a recessed area at the bottom of the camera next to the operator side. So let's just turn it on. It is just a switch. Now the LT takes about 30 seconds or so to turn on. Whilst it's booting up, we're going to look at a number of different things with the camera setup, resolution, codec settings, frame speed, and a few useful tips on getting you started with the camera. So we have the camera now, it's up and online. So first things first, we're going to reset it to factory default. So in order to do that, we need to go to the control panel here located at the top of the camera. This is on an articulating frame, which you can move depending on how you like to operate. So everything we're going to do today is going to be focused on this module in particular, because that's where all the key components to this camera are found. So let's access the main menu. So we press this button in, and now we use this jog wheel here, which is also a physical button which we can press. So we're going to go down, we're going to select system settings, and we're going to scroll using the jog wheel down to initialize. Okay, initialize is where we can load the camera to default mode. So it's factory default or factory data as we put here. So this is useful because as short film productions here at the university come in and out, different filmmakers will have different presets for their camera, which means the presets you may find on this particular Varicam that you take out may not be ones that match what your production requirements are. So, as with every camera, not just Panasonic, you should always get into the habit of resetting all your settings on the camera so you can set them manually one step at a time. I find it's a much easier way to work through the camera settings rather than just changing them in the menu system. Just reset everything and then you can take it from there. It just makes it much more methodical, much more easier.